Good morning, dear students. Now, after brief introduction of p block elements in the modern periodic table and different oxidation states, group oxidation states, and other stable oxidation states, next content is group wise study. Right? First group in p block is 13 group, then 14. 15, 16, 17 and 18. 18 group is exceptional, right? Because which elements are placed in p block? Those elements where p orbitals are incompletely filled. But in 18th group, p orbitals are completely filled except helium. Helium completes its duplet, right? Now children, first group in p block is 13th group. Which group? 13th group, right? 13th group is also known as boron family. 13th group is also known as boron family because first element is boron. Okay children? Occurrence of elements of 13th group in different forms, right? Different forms means different minerals, different combined forms. Okay? Now for example, boron exists in different combined forms like boric acid or orthoboric acid. Right? Boric acid is also used as antiseptic. More condensed formula of boric acid or orthoboric acid is BOH whole thrice, right? Because 3 hydrogen atoms and 3 oxygen atoms are present in boric acid. Boric acid. Nature is acidic. This BOOH whole thrice shows monobasic nature. Although 3 hydrogen atoms are attached. But children, you know, compounds of boron family are electron deficient compounds. They act like Lewis acid, right? Now, when boric acid reacts with water, it accepts OH group and gives hydronium ion or 1 proton. Not of its own proton of water molecule, right? Which is called its basicity, and its basicity is 1. This is addition part, which is related with the boric acid, right? Now children, other combined forms of boron like borax, Na2B4O7 dot 10H2O, 10 molecules of crystallization, 10 water molecules, 10 water molecules of crystallization. This is hydrous crystal. Borax, one component, of pyrex glass, borosil glass, heat resistant glass, right? Its application in which field? Glass industry, right? Next compound of boron is kernite. What is the difference between borax and kernite? In borax, 10 water molecules of crystallizations are present, and in kernite only 4. Na2 common, B4, O7, O7, but in kernite only 4 water molecules are attached. Water of crystallization, right? Next element of boron family is aluminium. Different combined forms of aluminium, aluminium chloride, aluminium hydroxide, right? And ore is bauxite. Common name of Al2O3 dot 2H2O is bauxite. Chemical name aluminium oxide dihydrate, right? Source of aluminium metal. Important ore of aluminium metal is bauxite. Okay children? An elemental form of aluminium aluminium metal, metallic form, right? Now next part is electronic configuration. Atomic number of boron is 5. For next element add 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 30. For next element gallium plus 18. Indium again plus 18. 31 plus 18 is equal to 49. After indium, thallium. For atomic number of thallium, add 32. 49 plus 32 is equal to 81. Okay, children, I am repeating which elements are placed in 13th group or boron family: boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. Only this part is important for very short answer question. Right? Next part for long answer. Give complete electronic configuration of boron family or elements of 13th group. Right? Now, first of all, write the well familiar element which is boron. Its atomic number is also very small atomic number, only 5. Then first of all, children, complete this part. Then atomic number. Correct sequence of elements, not in a random manner. Then correct sequence of increasing atomic number. And second part is reduced form of electronic configuration. For reduced form of electronic configuration, always write symbol of noble gas. For inner electronic configuration, for example, long form of electronic configuration of boron is 1s2, 2s2 and then 2p1. In each case, only valence electrons are written. Symbol of noble gas is showing inner electronic configuration or inner core of electrons. For 2 electrons, whose atomic number is 2? Helium. Which element is written here? This element symbol is helium for 2 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. For next element, next noble element, noble gas. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. In square bracket as per scientific rule, scientific notation for reduced form or condensed form of EC. Okay, children? First symbol, then square bracket, then complete this valence shell configuration. This part is valence, right? Now, for first 2 elements, write sp, sp. 2 times sp, sp. D starts from third element, gallium. DsP. Indium, DsP. And F from bottommost, right? Because its atomic number is 81. FdSp. Very simple. I am repeating, children. Sp, Sp. Then DsP, DsP, and then FdSp for bottommost element, right? And then principal quantum number in increasing manner. 3s, 3p for first. Sorry, 2s, 2p for first. 3s, 3p for second. 4s, 4p for third. 5ps, 5p for gallium, right? And next one, 6s2, 6p1. Children, I am repeating valence shell configuration. 2s2, 2p1. Aluminium, 3s2, 3p1. Gallium, 4s2, 4p1. Indium, 5s2, 5p1. Thallium, 6s2, 6p1. Right? This set is common. Same principal quantum number for 2 subshells. Same, right? Because both subshells are placed in same orbit. Orbit number is 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. And for D, first principal quantum number is 3. 3D10 completely filled. Then for next D, 4D completely filled. For first F, 4F, not 1F. 4F completely filled, 14 electrons. 5D, 10. Maintain this sequence, increasing order of principal quantum number 3D, 4D, 5D. 10, 10, 10 initials. Okay children, this is complete electronic configuration of which family? Boron family, right? Or 13 group elements. Now some short answer questions which are based on electronic configuration. How many valence electrons are present? How many valence electrons or how many electrons are present in S and P subshells? Total number of electrons 3. 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 1 2 plus 1. Okay children? In each case same number of valence electrons. Right? What is group oxidation state of 13 group elements or boron family? Plus 3. When all S and P electrons are removed, then what is the group valency or group oxidation state? 3. For example, BF3. In BF3, valency of boron is 3. AlCN3, what is 3? When only one electron is removed, then plus 1. And when S and P electrons are removed, then group oxidation state or oxidation number is plus 3. Okay children? Next one, what is the principal quantum number of S and P subshells for aluminium element? Principal quantum number N is equal to 3. What is the principal quantum number of S subshell for indium? 5. Principal quantum number of only P subshell in boron family and element is thallium. What is 6? Right? Same principal quantum number of two different subshells. Okay.